Our next question is from GATE 2020 mass transfer for 2 marks. Let's start with the solution. You can see here we have given SO2 from air is absorbed by pure water in a counter current packed column. Operating at constant pressure, the composition and the flow rate of the stream are shown in the figure. So you can see here water is coming from the top and gas is entering from the bottom. It is a counter current. It is generally always a absorption is generally done in counter current operation. In addition, and use the following data and assumptions. Column operates under isothermal conditions at operating temperature. At the column Y, fraction of SO2 in the gas that is in equilibrium with water containing SO2 at mole fraction of X. Solution is dilute and the operating line is linear. Negligible amount of water evaporates. The number of transfer units for the column is. So let's start with the solution. You can see here we are given mole fraction of SO2 is 0.015. Molar flow rate of the gas is given as 0.05 kilomole per second. Since it is this gas is containing the solute, so we will calculate the solute free gas flow rate. Gs is equal to 0.05 into 1 minus 0.015, then you get 0.04925 kilomole per second. Solute free water, water is a solvent, flow rate is Ls is equal to 2 kilomole per second. So there is no solute, so we just write it as Ls, that is solute free, 2 kilomole per second. So equilibrium relation we have given Y is equal to 40 X. Since it is a dilute, Y is a mole fraction generally, but we can consider it as a mole ratio also, right? M is equal to 40. We have given M is equal to 40, and we just need to calculate absorption factor. What is the absorption factor? A is equal to Ls by Gs by M. Means the Ls by Gs actually slope of the operating line, M is the slope of the equilibrium line. So operating line upon equilibrium line is the absorption factor, Ls by M Gs. And A is equal to, if we put all values, then we get A is equal to 1.015. If y small y is equal to mole fraction, then we can convert it into mole ratio by y upon 1 minus y. So I am doing this here, 0.015 upon 1 minus 0.015, then you get 0.01522. there is not so much change. I have already told you, if there is a dilute solution, we can consider mole ratio as a mole fraction also. Mole fraction can be considered as mole ratio also. There is no problem. But for a good accuracy, I am calculating here mole ratio. NTU, number of transfer unit. Please remember this formula. If you remember this formula, then you can just calculate this type of problems with 15 to 30 seconds. If we go with the another method, that will take almost 6 to 7 minutes. In GATE, we just need to save the time so that we can focus on other questions, right? NTU is equal to ln y1 minus mx naught, y2 is equal to mx naught. Actually it is a equilibrium, y1 minus equilibrium upon y2 minus equilibrium. What is equilibrium? X naught is the mole fraction of the solute, in solvent entering, right? And A is the absorption factor, where y1 is the mole ratio of solute in the gas phase and y2 is the mole ratio of the solute in the gas phase, which is tower, right? So if we see here it is y1, here it is y1 and it is y2, right? So you can see here it is ln. I am putting the values 0.01522 and 0.005, and I am putting all values. Then finally we get NTU is equal to 2, and from the given options we can see here the option D is Correct. Option D is correct. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.